back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I made this delicious Yamarita. So if you want to see how I made it, keep watching. So this is the yam I'll be using to make the Yamarita. You can see the way I'm cutting it. It's not all that slim, but depending on how you want yours to be, but make sure that it's not too tiny or too slim. So that's it. I'll go ahead and peel the back. After peeling the back, I'm going to cut it into somehow rectangular shape. You can see the way it is. You can see the way it is. So the next thing I'm going to do is to put it inside the water and go ahead and cut others like the way I cut the first one. So after that, I went ahead and wash it properly. Then I put it inside a pot. After putting it inside a pot, I added a little bit of salt and then water and allow it to cook. Let it cook. It's not going to be like as in soft very much. Just let it cook. All when it's almost cooked, then you go ahead and put it in a plate. Allow it to cool down. Make sure that the yam is not completely done. Just a little bit. So you just remove it in a plate and allow it to cool down. Then in a plate, you add your flour and any seasoning of your choice. I added pepper, curry, and thyme. So the next thing I'm going to do is to dip the yam into the flour. After dipping it, then I just place it on a tray. So I'll go ahead and do all the yam that way. So the next I is just to get my eggs. Then I added a little bit of pepper and salt in the egg. Then just mix it. Then it's now time to fry. I just dip the yam into the egg mixture and then go ahead and fry it. So when frying it, when one part is brown, you just go ahead and flip it over. So after flipping it over, you allow it to also still fry. And then when the other side is also fried, then you go ahead and remove it and your Yamarita is ready. It's as simple as ABCD. So you can see our Yamarita is ready here. So I went ahead and put it into a sieve for the oil to drain. You can go ahead and serve this with any sauce of your choice. So that's that. I hope you learned something from this video. Do not forget to like, share, and give me a thumbs up. Till I come your way next time with another interesting video. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.